Welcome back, Fair Structure Traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P, looking at the bigger levels here, you can see we did have a nice support, 37.6675 as the area of support that we bounced from, and you can see we're trying to gradually pull back up. Zone of resistance 37.91 to about 3800, and maybe even a top side of 3804. We'll see. Above that, you're gonna see some resistance right around 38.66 to 72, and 38.89 to about 93. That's our zones of resistance, and then all the way above that, 38.92.50 to about 39.35.50 as the next area as well. Below, for some support, we're going to be looking probably somewhere right around 37.37. So let's mark that off here for you guys. So a little bit of a lower zone is coming right in there, 37.37. So we may end up seeing S&P try to get up into this area, fail to get through, getting that rejection, bringing us right back into 37.66, and then maybe even lower. Strongly bearish as of right now, so keep that in mind for S&P. Let's look at a 60-minute chart. So you can see we did anticipate a nice little wedge down. We did get the downside for the London session and then pushed right back up. So what we're going to be looking for here on S&P is actually we broke out of this movement here, and we do see like a nice pennant pattern. We're going to be looking for this to try to pull up into these 3800 areas. That's going to be what we're looking for. So as of right now, still going bullish, trying to capture some upside movement. Taking a look at a 15-minute chart, closer view, you can see we came into a little bit of resistance kind of right up in this area. That's where we're struggling here, right around 37.86, but I do think we're going to end up pushing up and seeing this extend up into these 90 to about 3800. So right in this area is where we're going to be looking for maybe a nice double top off this area and then a short. But as of right now, I do think we're going to be trying to move into that area, still strongly bullish, so we're keeping that in mind in this micro movement, right? So bearish on the trend but bullish on the micro movement as of right now. You can see we're following the lows again, pull back, and then pull back. Nice continuation as of right now that we see to the upside. So we'll see if we get some major resistance coming right in between these two areas right here and here. So see what happens there. But moving over into a 5-minute for us, you can see right now still holding, right? Still holding that bullish support that we see. I'm going to adjust this just a little bit so we can get this to move just like that. So still holding, but if we start to collapse, if we start to make a nice push down, we may end up looking for a pullback and then a collapse back down. But right now we want to see if the bulls can actually bring it in here and then get the rejections and then look for the short from there. So right now, again, on this micro trend, we're looking for this bullish continuation unless we start to break structure and we fall back down. So that's what we're going to be looking for the London session. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. If you are going to trade, make sure you trade with discipline and patience. You guys take care. Have a great night.